My name is Krishna Choripalli, a leadership coach at leadershiptribe.com. Many times we have seen teams, organizations create amazing marketing strategies to promote or create products, deliver campaigns over a period of time, and then measure how the campaigns have performed and move on to create new strategies. If you think about it, after we delivered the entire campaign or products, isn't it too late to change direction? So when do we course correct and ensure that we deliver value? This approach falls short to deliver outcomes as expected to our clients and end users. And these patterns have been crippling teams all over the world. In Agile marketing teams, they collaborate with each other, they break the silos down, and they create micro strategies, and they boil down the plan to over 10, 20 or 30 days, where they define, prototype, test, deliver, measure throughout the journey. More importantly, they adapt the strategy iteratively, where they ensure they're always working on the items which delivers the maximum value. At Leadership Tribe, we have been training and coaching marketing teams and organizations and supporting them through their Agile marketing journey. Come join us and enroll a taster workshop for free.